Hey guys, so today I am installing a 20-inch transparent frontal lace wig. It's glueless, but I'm going to be sticking it down with the Got2b glue spray, so please stay tuned. Okay, so before you stick it down, you want to make sure that it fits the client's head. You want to make sure that the sides are even. And then when you do, then you'll just cut the excess lace around the ear to make it fit from side to side. And then you want to make sure that you get all the baby hairs out the way before you cut the lace, because you do not want to cut the hair by mistake. And then when you do cut the lace, make sure you use a razor, and that's how you want to cut it. You don't want to cut it super straight, because then it just defeats the purpose. Like, we try to mimic a natural hairline, and a natural hairline is never super straight. So that's how you cut it. So as you can see, like, the edges are not like down yet. So as you can see, like, I'm taking a little bit of Got2b and I am adding it to the edges and using a blow dryer to make it stick down like faster. So there we go, looks much better now. And then of course you're gonna use mousse or whatever else that you use to lay down your edges. My client did ask for extra long sideburns, so I left them a little extra long. And then yeah, you'll just mold the baby hairs however you like, and you tie it down and blow dry it after. You will not get the same effect if you do not blow dry it. I just wanted to give it a little bit of curl, a little bit of bounce. Although I'm not that good when it comes to styling as yet, but we're getting there. And that's the final look. Please make sure you check out our other videos, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.